Thinking about buying a home and you haven't talked to a lender yet, stop scrolling Zillow just for a second. Here's the #1 mistake that I see home buyers make. In my 30 years of selling real estate, the buyers who skip this step, they always end up frustrated, disappointed, wasting weeks looking at homes that they just can't actually afford. My name is Brian Stevens. I am a licensed agent here in the Florida area, serving all of Central Florida. Love helping people with buying or selling real estate. It is my honor to step out and serve you in this video. What I want to do is come from the heart of the teacher and teach you why it's really important to get pre-approved prior to getting the ball rolling and looking at homes. So let's talk about that. So here's the problem, is that so many people start off scrolling, they get their phone out and they're looking at Zillow, they're looking at Realtor.com and Redfin. They're like, oh, I love this home. Oh, let's buy this one. Oh, look at the flooring in this, the backyard. And here's the problem, they don't qualify for it. You know, it can be sticker shock, it can be the wrong price range, missed opportunities, bad decisions. So the fix is really simple. Get pre-approved first, right off the bat. So what does pre-approval actually tell you? Let's talk about that. #1, it talks about your real price range. It's gonna allow you to search online with confidence instead of guessing. So no more falling in love with homes above your budget. The worst thing you can do is love something at $450,000 and realize you can only afford $350,000. Your expectations are going to get blown, and then again, you're going to get disappointed. We don't want that. So the first thing is you want to know your real price range. #2, you want to know your estimated monthly payments, right? So it's called PITI, principal, interest, taxes, and insurance. PITI. What is that number going to look like? So one of the most important things is to know your total payment before you even get out there and shop for a home, not after you've got your offer accepted. #3 is, how much will I need for a down payment? Now, that's gonna vary by your different loan type that are out there in the marketplace. So what are the different loan types? I'm gonna be very general here, but let's talk about it. So you've got FHA, which is a lower down payment. It's flexible credit. We see a lot of first-time home buyers using FHA financing. Many times their rates can be slightly lower than some of the other competitive loan products. So FHA is very common. Typically, it's about 3.5% for your down payment. Again, there's always flexibility in these programs, so don't quote me on that, but that's an idea as far as, getting going. So flexible credit, lower down payment for FHA loans. Conventional financing is better for stronger credit, larger down payments. Now, conventional financing has different products. It can be a 3%, 5%, 10%, or 20% down. Now, when you put 20% down, you're gonna get your mortgage insurance, called your PMI, your private mortgage insurance, waived because you're putting 20% down. Okay, that's with a conventional product. Now, if you're a veteran, you could qualify for a VA loan, which, by the way, thank you for your service. And so a VA loan is fantastic. Many times it's a zero down product and the seller can pay all of your closing costs. So FHA, conventional, VA are the most popular types of loan products. There's also a couple more. One of them is called USDA. It's a rural housing product, not as common. The home has to be in a certain area. And then there's some other products out there. But when you're thinking about loan products, you're probably going to get pre-approved for FHA, VA, and conventional financing. So what else does a pre-approval do? And this is so important. I just had a conversation the other day. You want to find out, am I credit ready for a loan? So do you know what your credit score is? Did you know there's 3 credit scores? Do you know that a lot of times they use your middle score, right? But a lender can help you figure all that out. You don't have to worry about it. So they can help you say, okay, hey, here's your credit score. We need to pay off this, right? Save some money, pay this off. It's going to help with your debt to income ratio, which is going to help you qualify for a home in this particular price range. So you got to have your credit at certain scores. Again, FHA is a a little bit more flexible with your credit. Conventional will have a higher bar for your credit. And then VA, again, we want to talk to the lender so they can tell you specifically what that looks like. We talk to many buyers that their credit is below the minimum standard that they're going to need for a certain type of loan. So what our lenders will do is put them on programs, even connect them with resources to help them fix their credit up. The lenders put them in touch with trusted resources to help them repair their credit or build their credit in most cases. And then that will help them. So some of the lenders will put you in touch with a credit repair person, somebody, a trusted resource that can help you build your credit. So credit's so important whenever you go to buy a home. So you want to get that fixed, you want to get that repaired, or even you want to establish credit in some cases to buy a home. So all of this is going to save you time. Getting pre-approved, finding out your down payment, your credit history. Again, this is going to just save you time. It's going to save you emotional energy. There's not going to be a heartbreak when you find something that you don't even qualify for. You're like, okay, no, this is what I qualify for. If I qualify for $350,000, let's stay within the budget. It gives you negotiating power. And when you go to put a contract on a home, you have to have a pre-approval letter. We have to submit the pre-approval letter with the contract. You have to have that. And what it does is it gives your offer strength and stability, knowing that you are already pre-approved. So here's the good news. Getting pre-approved is fast, it's usually free, and it doesn't commit you to anything. Now, I work with a handful of trusted lenders who I know will take great care of you and give you honest numbers, not just some sales pitch. So if you're interested in the home buying process in the next couple months, comment pre-approved or contact me direct below. You're going to see all my contact information. I would love to connect with you. And I've got 3 preferred lenders right here in this area that I would love to connect you with. They're all fantastic, and they can help you get set up with the type of loan program that you need to get plugged in with to start your home buying process. It is so much fun. It's amazing. So, hey, in this, let's get pre-approved first, house hunting second, and then third, I want you to subscribe to this channel. Also go to my Living in Lakeland, Florida channel and my Living in Central Florida channel. I've got a lot of property tours that you may want to check out. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. My name is Brian Stevens. All my contact information is below. Talk to you soon. God bless. Whether selling or buying, you got to call Brian.